We are back at Scottys Kustomz to try and get his truck to start. Will it start? I don't know. Will it have gas? Who knows? We should probably check that too. We got to make sure that's going to work. Will the fuel pump work? I don't have these answers yet, people, but we're going to get it. We're going to figure it out. Hopefully. First on the agenda, we got to make sure the fuel lines are done correctly. They don't seem like they're routed correctly. The return was plumbed like it's going to the sending side of the fuel rail, and the sending side of the pump looked like it was coming from the return. We just gotta figure it out. Basically going back to square one, see what's what, figure it out from there, and then we're gonna dive into probably trying to get this thing to pop, 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 pop. Start and at least stumble on its face and die, but it's hopefully make some noise, basically, is what I'm trying to say. So I got to get myself on the Google, or Scotty when he comes back, because he's taking care of his dog right now. We got to figure out, because I'm not smart enough to know which one of these fuel lines is you're in and you're out. But we'll figure it out. We got to just back to basics, people. That's all it is, back to basics. We'll get her, Scotty. We'll get her.
Taking shots at the enemy, I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof off. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take a new song.
So we're trying to figure out the wiring here for what we got going on for what, and I just started feeding power to things to see what's connected and what's not connected. Well, the turn signal flasher, when you hook power to that, almost shocked myself. So we don't know why, but when you hook power to the flasher for the turn signals, the pump works intermittently. Scotty says it's going to be a Lopi supercharged motor.
I'd rather put a big cam in it instead of have a
I would
signal lights and it.
Then have your fuel pump turn on?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we gotta strip wiring back and figure out how the hell that even happened. That's definitely a new one for me. So we gotta get that sorted out, then we can start pushing forward to get this thing to start, hopefully. Oh, you got in a fight with I mean, it is plastic. It looks like it's security. It's not security. I'm sorry you got in a fight with that. Anyways, we were working on wiring still. I traced the wire they had hooked to the fuel pump, which is this guy right here. I pulled all the harness back out to the front of the truck, and it goes to the choke power, which is what I kind of suspected all along. I did find a couple nicks in the wires. Oh, there's the one I didn't even see before, but there's another one. So, oh, here's another one again. So Scotty has made the decision. We're gonna stop worrying about this right now because it really doesn't affect trying to get this thing to start. And we're gonna put that on the plate for somebody else to deal with in the future. It's probably me, but we'll deal with it at that point. So the focus, we're gonna redirect, try and get this thing running. There's a whole bunch of wires here. Everything seems to be labeled. Scotty went and got some fuses, so we can start stuffing some fuses in. Hopefully nothing pops right away. I put your grounds there. I didn't check with you first, but I needed somewhere to put them. You can move them if you need to.
That's where I was gonna put them too. So.
Oh, so well, perfect, it worked out. So we're just gonna start hammering away at this and just hook up the essentials, figure out exactly what we need, and I think we can figure it out, but we're just gonna use this wire for the fuel pump now because it's labeled fuel pump, so it should be the right one.
That will work a bit better, I think.
Well, let's hope. Let's hope. So yeah, let's just rock it out and get it done.
I'm back, you know that I never left. I got tracks and some music that you never guessed. I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many, but got heart. I'm ready to change scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never change back. Calling out, I'll pay back, cause I'm great at that. Oh, you cannot save me.
Everything was marked on the fuse box as well, which is freaking awesome. Hopefully it's all right. So we got our fuses in that we need for the injectors and coils and PCM. We've even got a fuel pump that works when it's supposed to now. You turn the key on, it primes, it stops. It doesn't like you got your blinker on like an idiot. So hopefully it works. We haven't tried to start it yet. Did you put fuel in it?
Not yet.
Oh. We hooked the computer up. It's actually reading that there's something there. It didn't give me any errors, so that's a good sign. It's got a couple codes, but nothing that I'm concerned about because it's looking for stuff that doesn't exist anymore. So I think we're doing okay. I wonder if we can do any tests. We should see if we can test anything. Or we just put some gas in it and see if it'll start. I like the idea of just putting gas in it and seeing if it'll start. Let's do that.
Is there a plug down here? Can you see?
Oh.
There is. It's there.
It's in, you're good? Thread tape on it so it doesn't leak.
We'll find out.
How many gallons are you gonna put in?
All of them.
Gas station down the road.
Sit in there and go vroom, 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 vroom.
Pretend like I'm going down the road, turn the steering wheel back and forth a little bit.
Absolutely. I'll be disappointed if you don't.
You leaking anywhere?
I mean, it's only going in the tank, and the tank's brand new, so it shouldn't leak. We can prime it and see if it'll do anything. It's making all the right clicking noises. Oh, you got a leak. You got a leaker.
Oh, dang.
Did you tighten that yet? At least it's all contained for you, so suck it out with a straw.
This is coming out this side.
Is it tight?
Is not tight enough. No, I broke my finger.
Oh, that might need to be a little tighter than that.
Think so?
You might want to tighten that one too. It didn't get to the return side yet, so this is real life. We should probably get some paper towels or something and soak that up.
Which side is leaking from up here, huh?
I don't know. I didn't see it. Do you want me to turn it on so you can see where it's leaking from?
Yeah, that weird connection there is not leaking.
I mean, they might start leaking eventually, but they're not leaking now, so that's all that matters. Do you want to hit the key? It's your truck. Well, hold on. Don't start it yet.
Yeah.
That was scary. Oh, that pulley's not even hooked to a belt, so it didn't even matter. I don't think we have spark. So you have spark. Why do we have spark? It sounds like we have fuel. So it cranks, it's slow, but it cranks. It has spark for sure. It looks like good strong spark, according to that spark plug. So even though it's cranking slow, that to me should still at least pop if it's getting fuel. We're basically struggling at this point. We've checked all the connectors, we've checked spark. It sounds like fuel's pushing up here. This guy's hitting a roadblock and he's not happy about it, but I think we're gonna just keep pushing and see if we can't. It's probably something dumb and simple. Hopefully it's not something in a wiring harness that's all taped up that we gotta undo and figure out. You never know, human error can happen anywhere. I prove that every time. Well, we had a little incident. Could have been a lot worse. There's a little fire. Hopefully it showed up on the time lapse there. It's this little guy, this pressure regulator popped, spit a lot of fuel out. We were checking for spark down here with the spark plug out. Well, sparking gas. You know what happens. Thankfully, we were able to get it out before we had total disaster. We did have some meltage of the wiring here. I don't think anything's too bad. It was all about safety protocol and being prepared, and we had her prepared. That could have been bad. That could have been real bad. So let's put that spark back on the thing.
I didn't even realize that either.
Sorry, Scotty.
It's all good. Shit happens, man.
The gas is good. I'm just checking to make sure we didn't like
Melt the wires.
No, I think we just got the harness up.
Well, something exciting happened.
I mean, it started on fire.
Yeah, something started.
I think the wires look okay.
Right.
I think we were right here, so we got everything. I'm gun shy now. Berryman, the good stuff. Alright, it kind of sounds like it's popping a little bit.
Wants to.
Gotta make sure we give your starter a little cool down period. We need more crankiness.
More power.
Ah, just start already. Crank it again, just for shits and giggles. Scotty's learning a valuable lesson of what happens if you don't have tranny cooler lines hooked up when you crank your motor over. I've learned it way worse than this though, so he's doing pretty good.
Just, it bled a little bit.
Just a little bit of blood. It'll go along with the fire, it's just all part of it. So I did pull one of these injector wires off, and it's got 12 volts showing. It drops down to 10 volts when cranking, so it should be enough, right? I don't really know. Do I need it? I don't know what. I don't know. It's got spark. We saw that.
Sounded better.
I mean, technically it ran for about a half a second.
Some go-go juice.
What's the worst that can happen? It catches on fire?
Right, at least they'll just shoot up right there.
Again? Alright,
Want to spray it while I'm cranking or not?
let's try this first. Go ahead. It's like a single pop. I don't know what that means. What does that mean, Scotty? What does that mean? Crank it again. I don't know what that means. Just frickin' do something. Here. Like maybe an inch. Whoa. I got it. I'm glad I didn't take that to the face. All right, hit the key once.
Just tap it or what?
Yeah, just turn it on.
Ready?
Yep. Oh, it needs gas. How many gallons are you gonna put in?
All of them.
Ain't got no gas in it.
I even joked about that. I'm like, ain't got no gas in it.
It's just these stupid ass mistakes you don't think about because you think there could be a million other things wrong, Scotty. I want to put the gas in there,
and then see the flow.
turn it on, and make sure it's flowing.
Okay. Just dump this whole fucker in there?
Yeah. Or not, I don't know. A little sloppy in the hole, but it'll be fine.
You got a hot dog on the hallway.
You just increased the value of your vehicle.
Right? By 5 gallons, so what was that, 15 bucks?
You still gotta put tape on that plug. So if you don't, when you set this down, it's gonna start leaking out there. Let's hit that key once and see what it does.
Ready?
Yep. Yeah.
Oh wow,
Yeah, we have
that's quite a bit.
we have fuel now. Hit it again.
Again?
Yeah, okay. Jesus.
Ain't got no gas.
I'm surprised it leaked anything.
Pray to all the gods.
Yeah. Do you know why it's doing this? I am scratching my head. It's got fuel. It's got spark. Is it timing? I don't know how you change the timing on an LS. That's kind of odd. We are stumped. We still had a good day. We got some things done.
Yeah.
We had a little excitement. That shouldn't have been happening, but we did it. We dealt with it. We got it taken care of. But seriously, if you know why this thing is just popping and not actually starting, it'd be good to know. I will tell you the VATS is not deleted, but that shouldn't affect it because I'm pretty sure it'll start and run for about 3 seconds. Stock computer, stock motor, no mods, right? Nothing?
Nothing.
We've even got, the O2 sensors are hooked up, so we've got everything plugged in.
We
That
tried everything.
could be plugged in. Everything, even putting gas in it, we tried that. It's
Extra gas.
like my ring. My daughter gave me a ring and made me wear it all day. So yeah, I don't know. So seriously looking for some input here for the LS gurus out there, and I know there's a lot of them. What the F are we doing wrong? What are we missing? There has to be something simple. Let me know, please. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Say bye, Scotty.
You guys.